Look at this deviled egg I made in a muffin pan. I was skeptical before I made it, while I was making it, but after I made it, I liked it. Let me show you how I did it. First thing I'm gonna do is oil my pan. Make sure each pan is lubed up. I'm really excited about this. Now we simply break our eggs into our muffin tins. Let's see if I can go 12 for 12. No breakage. Last one. You know the actual odds of being able to break 12 eggs consecutively without breaking a yolk is like 10,000 to 1. Did it. So here's what I'm so excited about. Squeeze your water bottle and the yolk should pop right out. It works. Let's try our second hack experiment. Supposedly it works if you get your fingers sticky with garlic. All right. No. Go in just like this. Do it the hard way. Now we're gonna go into our 350-degree oven. For our egg yolks, we're gonna boil some water, put another pot over top, put the egg yolks in there. We're cooking this like they cook chocolate. I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm just cooking them. I don't know if this was the best method to cook our yolks, but we're getting there. As we can see, we'll give them a little flip, I guess. We'll give it just another minute. So there's our egg whites. And it looks like they're gonna pop right out. Look at that, pretty cool. Time to make our filling, and it starts with the yolks. And the spicy Danos, that's the red top. A spork is about the perfect thing to mix this. So you can see these yolks really don't want to break up. I guess that's the way that I cooked them. But we'll get them mixed up anyways, just pointing that out. 5 minutes later, we're still mixing it up. Don't ever cook your yolks like that. Little Dano spicy. And a little bit of that crunch. Top it with a fresh jalapeno. These are actually awesome. Look, you got a little crust on them. They're pretty. The presentation's awesome. Look how it bites. At first I was like, why would anyone go through this trouble? But at the end of the day, I'd do it again. Yum, yum, get you some.